Hi, I'm going to show you how our new vehicle selector works. So if you're familiar with the previous vehicle selector version, you can see that it only has one option. Now we have two options. So we have the features and the selector. So we know that we have to create the features first. These are the features of the product. You can break down whatever features a product has so that on the front end, the user can use this as filters to select what product they want based on the features that they need. So basically, this is just a shortcut. Here you can see a list of all the features, and then if you go to one feature, you'll see its position, the name of the feature, if it's single or multiple. Single meaning only one variant can be tied up to that model when you select. So I'll show you later. And then also a list of the variants. You can also delete a variant here. This is basically just a shortcut feature. If you want to fully manage the product features, you can just go under products and then features. So going back to our selector. So once you have all the features that you need, you go to selector. And then in here, this is where we group the feature variants. So let's add one selector, for example. So this is what I meant earlier. If it's single, we can only choose one. If it's multiple, you can choose multiple options. So in here, if the variant that you're looking for is not on the list, previously you have to go to product features and add the variant there. We created a shortcut wherein you can just add the variant directly on the page. So for example, and then we just add it. And when you check the options, it will be here. And then you can add, for example, here. Also, if the option is not in here, for example, there's no 2016, you can just also add that here, 2016. So when you go to 2016, it will be there. And once you've selected, you can just click on create. And then you will see that here. So you can have multiple selector. For example, you have for discovery, but then you have different years, different engines, or different category. The updated vehicle selector filter will work on this one. I will show you. So here on the front end, we'll select discovery. So as you remember, going back to the back end, we have four different types of discovery based on the year or the series. So they have different engines. So let's pick one from within this range. So maybe year 2000. So if we go back to the back end, you see year 2000 should show two engine options. So in here we have the engine option. So if we change the year, let's select the year between 1990 to 1998. So we've got 1992, let's say. So it should show, 1992 should show four engine options. So if we go here, let's see. So it will also affect filter the category based on what category you assigned it to under the group vehicle selector. You could also leave it by default, and then it will give you the options. you.